guys, welcome back. You can't see me, but that's okay. Today, I'm gonna be trying to do something that I have never in my life before done. I'm gonna be going fishing with Buddy, part of the cash crew, so he's repping Valid, and we're gonna do some float tube fishing. And it's weird because I get asked a lot because it looks like the new one, like the Hero 7. Same color. And I'm like, no, it's the cheaper one. It's the Hero 2018. It's like the budget one for 200 bucks. Float tubing, baby. That's what we're doing today. Got a drop shot. I've got Thyro Legolas and the Cabela's Prodigy. Jerkbait rod, 610 medium. Type R on it. Buddy's rod. Brazilian. 7-piece medium heavy. 7-foot medium heavy, I should say. Custom jig. 7.5 medium heavy Wonder jig with the Corrado 70i. That's what we're doing. What?
I guess you would call this a bait.
Okay. There we go, dude. He smacked it. Feels like a decent one. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a freaking fatty, dude. It is a fatty. Are you kidding me? No, don't do that. Come here. Hey, come here. Dude. Are you kidding me? Thank you. Thank you. Look at that, dude. Oh my God. Holy shit. Dude, I literally cast it into the reeds, popped it out 3 times. Boom, boom. Smacked it. I gotta start doing this more often, man. Jesus. We're definitely gonna throw them on the old scale. If it'll work for me. You think so? That's what it's feeling like. Good old 3.
Oh, the deep down.
They're shallow, or not shallow, but they're in the reeds for sure.
That's good. That's where I'd rather they be.
The scale is reading 210. There's no way that this is a 2-pounder, man. There's no way. I gotta reweigh that. Are you kidding? 210. That's what it's reading. I guess we'll go with that. It does not look like a 2-pounder. I think the scale's that's like a 3. Yeah, we'll say that. Okay. Back into the water. Goodbye, big bitch. Hell yeah. PM jig. Made by PM jigs. These are literally some of the best, if not the best jigs. These are hand-tied jigs. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, well, I got a little guy right up in those reeds. I just pitched right in there, and he jumped it. Goodbye. All right, gotta check the line for abrasion. Now it's still holding strong. It's probably more. This lake's pretty juice right now. Water temp's at 48 degrees and it's slowly rising. That's why I'm throwing a a jig, and look at these jigs. They are super compact. That's what you got to throw this time of the year. Super compact jigs, from at least what my buddy's telling me. And he's been fishing these lakes for years, you know. So I trust him. He knows what the hell he's talking about. So compact jigs. These are really good. Very, very good. Hand-tied jigs. If you ever fish a hand-tied jig with a rubber skirt, you will never fish a jig that's not hand-tied again. I'll tell you what, because they are just super, super good quality stuff. Uh-oh. Gotta go retrieve a jig now. Can't be losing these jigs. These are good ones. The things I do to go get some jigs, man. I made a bad cast. Cast it right into this thing, this weed, or this reed, I should say. Ugh, get me away from the reeds. Get me away. But I got that jig back, didn't I? And that's really all that matters, because this jig is juice. And they are not cheap. I'll tell you what. They are not cheap. I was lucky enough to get gifted this by my buddy to use today. Line's still good. That's why you use high abrasion resistant line. I pretty much eliminated this fishing spot though, because I just kicked up everything that is there. So, and that bait switch. Finally, come here. All right, fine, get off. It'll work though. Buckets. Get off me. All right. And of course that drop shot just fucked all my rods up. We're at a new lake. Water temps decent amount warmer than the other one we were fishing. We're just flipping reeds because of it. Knew there had to be one there. Sooner or later I'd flip these grass patches and get one. Don't spit it. Don't you dare spit it. He's mad. He's got red eyes too. Dude, I barely had him hooked too. Just tongue hooked. But all their mouths are red. Hey. Nice. Yeah, so this is the type of day it's been, man. We've been struggling and grinding. We are going through the freaking jungle to try to find these big fish. We've been catching and I wouldn't say a whole bunch, but we've been catching some little guys. The biggest one of the day I think was that 3-pounder that I caught earlier. But everything else has been a pound or under. So it's a struggle. These fish were not doing what we thought they were going to be doing today at all. And we really thought it was, especially with this warm temperature, and it was warmer today than it forecasted, and it was warm yesterday. It was damn near almost 70 yesterday. We thought these fish were going to be munching today, but we are wrong. I don't know what these fish are doing. I don't know what I'm doing trying to get through this. David already made it to the other side, so I'm trying to get there with him. See if he's catching anything of decent size or not, or anything at all, I should say, really. See if he's catching anything. Might be making this whole little you dig journey for nothing.
This lake should have been one after another.
I know, the water clear, it looked really good when we were walking up from it too. Alright guys, we are back at the crib and ending off the day here. It was extremely fun. Not gonna lie, it was super fun. I had a fun time. I love the concept of float tube fishing, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna lie, I really like it. I think it's something different, not a lot of people do it. And like I said before, it's a very underutilized way to catch these fish, a very stealth way to catch these fish. Props to Dave, thank you so much for taking me out, showing these spots. And then we caught fish. I mean, we didn't get skunked, so that's always good that we did not get skunked. I don't know, this is a thing. I'm gonna make a video on this. Float tube versus kayak. Next purchase, which one should it be? I don't know. I really am kind of leaning towards the float tube though, just because, like I said, it's so fun, it's underutilized, it's a very good way to fish that not a lot of people think about. Yeah, it was a grind of a day though, I'm not gonna lie. It was a grind. I'm not gonna sit here and tell them or lie to you guys and say, yeah, we plucked them out and it was easy. It was not easy. We were out there for at least 12 hours, sitting in that water, grinding for every bite that we got. And actually, there was a lot of bites that I just didn't turn the GoPro on because they were smaller fish towards the end of the day. But we did end up catching a decent amount of fish. Biggest, we actually both caught around the exact same size fish for the big fish of the day. It was about 3 pounds, I'm calling it. Scale's broken, don't even start. Scale's messed up. It was 3 pounds. If you've seen it in person, the GoPro never does the fish any justice, but it was bigger than what it was looking like. So yeah, fun day. Again, I cannot thank you so much, Dave. If you're watching, I know you're watching. Thank you for taking me out to that spot. We got to hit it again soon, buddy. And it's gonna be pretty juice coming up these next couple of weeks. So looking forward to it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on this video. Share it with your friends and introduce them to my channel. Help us grow, show them what we're all about, doing good things in the fishing community. And I'm digging it, I'm feeling good. Thank you for checking out this video, and I will catch you guys on the next episode of Southside Fishing. See you later.